Ever sent a message and noticed a little mistake? No problem, we've got you covered. In today's guide on how to edit sent messages in Messenger, we will show you how to fix those little errors, whether it's a typo or a change of heart. Stay tuned for a simple steps to edit your sent messages hassle-free. So without further ado, let's get started. So first things first, you need to ensure that you have the latest version of the Messenger app. So after updating the app, you can now begin locating the message you wish to edit. Now, either long press or tap on the message and this action will prompt a menu to appear. Now, look for and select the edit option within the menu. Then, a text box will appear allowing you to make the necessary changes. So, go ahead and type in the corrected content. And once you're satisfied, tap on the check icon to submit your edits. Then your edited message will seamlessly replace the original one in the chat. However, it's important to note that the message will be tagged as edited, and keep in mind that each message can only be edited up to 5 times. So be mindful of this restriction when making edits. In case you don't have the edit option on your end, don't worry, simply remove the message and then send a new one with the corrected content. And that's it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button, drop a comment, share this content, and subscribe for more guides and tips.